Hi again, it's Michael, and today's question is, why would I need the optional cover? It's a question from Peter Storm from Sydney, Australia. What you need to know about the cover: it is made out of Dralon, and if Dralon is a synthetic fabric, if it's woven tightly, it will let the air breathe through but will resist the water. So it is making your board dry, and even if it's wet by using the pool, it will be drying because the air goes through it. So it has to be tight and woven, and it will protect against UV radiation. It will protect your board. Now, something that I remarked later is that people give a signal to their children when putting the cover on the board. And they say, children, if the cover is on the board, there is no swimming, there is no diving. It's like a safety feature. And I think the idea is very good. Just easy to teach young children, if the cover is on the board, there is no swimming today. I'm not an influencer, I'm not a YouTuber, so for me, likes and subscriptions, okay, nice, but comments are very important so we can grow this channel. Thank you.